I want to specifically talk to you guys about my breaking point. The moment I realized what needed to change. The moment I realized the reason I wasn't successful. Now, yeah, this is a possible idea. I can see if it holds that gap. I might do like a little test idea. It's one of them. This is what I remember Trump. I remember days that were just like this, fucking trending days. That's what I remember. I'm very low on the scale when it comes to my potential, when it comes to what is possible, when it comes to what people are doing and what's working. You know why you're not successful? You know why you're not rich yet? You know why you don't have the life that you want yet? Because you don't deserve it. Work began yesterday. It doesn't begin today, it began yesterday. Action is key. Application of the knowledge is key. And I may make a good amount of money, but even if I make $200,000, $250,000 in a year, that's not enough money to get to the level I want to be. I want a $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, all the way up car. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We're here with another video, and you know what time it is. It's early in the morning. It's Friday. It's about to be 9:30, but the difference between today and any other day is I'm not really going to be looking to force any trades today. It's been a slow week. Yesterday, I had 2 break-even trades. It was very unfortunate. Both trades came mad close to TP, but they didn't hit TP. It was very unfortunate, but we live to trade another day, which is today. But the market is at all-time highs, and it's just one of those things where I'm not going to continue trying to force a trade that's not presenting itself. But we're going to show up, manage risk, give value to the team, and if we do see any trades, call them out for the team, call them out for you guys, and just do what we do every single day. Give value and just show you what it's like to just do this shit, essentially. But without all the yapping, I do got to get on this call because it is 9:30, like I just said. So let's get straight on to it. This is where the magic happens. Yeah, if it goes all-time highs, I'm not really looking to go crazy today, to be honest. This week has been pretty one-directional, if I do say so myself, for US 30. It's one of them. This is what I remember Trump. I remember days that were just like this, fucking trending days. That's what I remember. Just trending days. The shit was just, that was COVID times, just flying up, just keep flying up. Everything after COVID, that shit was just to the sky. Yeah, all-time highs. As Dyson would say, just click buy anywhere. It would have been good. Would have been good. This is an all-time high. Any shorts at an all-time high is risky, in my opinion. But it ran the all-time high though, so who knows? You never know when it's gonna fall. That's the thing with an all-time high. Who knows when it's gonna be the retracement? It could be today, could be Monday, could be Tuesday, who knows? But now, yeah, this is a possible idea. I can see if it holds that gap. I'm not gonna take it just because, like I said, I might do like a little test idea just with this shit. Well, what would the point be? The range ain't horrible. 1 hour gap at a 50-point stop, looking to target the all-time high. That would be the possible trade idea. I'm not taking it like I said, but the trade idea. Yeah, slow day. It's looking like I know no trades. The paper trade idea was a L, but it's went back bullish. Hey, it's 30 for you. All right, I just got done off the call with VIP. No trades for me taken. I had a few trade ideas that I took on the paper trade, but nothing that was actually crazy worthy. So nonetheless, let's see over here. It looks like some people got some W's that said done for the week by Khalil. Looks like he caught some shorts on gold. Looks like he made a little bit on a couple positions or a couple accounts, not really sure. It says 11 trades because my bad entries and shit, but I do 3 trades a week. Copy that, but yeah, good session for the team. It's pretty loud outside, but we about to get it all going. It's still semi-early, but we're gonna keep the day going strong. I just got the video for the day uploaded. Let's refresh, see what it's at. 173 in 29 minutes. Yeah, I've done better. But I'm about to charge my camera stuff, charge the microphone and everything, get some reels and everything created, and we're gonna get the work started. My girlfriend has work today, so we're gonna see how that goes because she is a little sick, but let's see how the day goes. All right, right now I'm about to do a little business meeting I gotta do real quick. I told y'all big things are coming soon. I got a lot of work to do in terms of content. I got a lot of work to do in terms of learning to build successful businesses. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know what I'm doing when it comes to building a little business, but at the end of the day, my trading, I make good money from trading, but that's not necessarily something I branch out with other people. But content, I'm very low on the scale when it comes to my potential, when it comes to what is possible, when it comes to what people are doing and what's working. I'm very low. I don't get a lot of views compared to people. I don't even got 30K subs yet. There's people with 30 million, 300K. There's people that are getting how many views I have in total on my channel every month, every week, every video. And I gotta try to learn how to get to that level. And the only way I'm gonna do that is from talking to people that are actually doing what I wanna do, that have experience with it. You learn from people that have experience. And I'm gonna be taking the mentorship from other people like I can. Then I stress you guys to do the same thing. As I tell you guys, you gotta keep improving and keep trying to get to that next level. I've got to this point all by myself, no help. So now it's time for me to actually go out of my way to try to work with people, to try to get other information and see how they could possibly help me and see how I can help them. It's a connection-based world. Connections are key. Think about all the people you know about in business. Connections are key. Think about VIP. Connections are key. So I'm about to hop on this meeting. I'm not going to put much in there. I might put a little clip of me just talking, but besides that, this isn't for y'all. This is for me. This is my setup, though, that I'm working with right now. We about to get to work. And I just got done off that call. This is kind of not moved over here. Just got done off the call, talking business, talking a few main things, just understanding pipelines in terms of funnels, in terms of branding, in terms of just trying to get in front of people's faces. This wasn't a trading call. Trading, I understand trading. I have mentors when it comes to trading, but when it comes to trying to get big in the entrepreneur space, trying to grow myself as an individual, as a brand, as a company, to get to the point to where I can have hedge funds, to get to the point to where I can have hundreds and hundreds of units in real estate, I got to get to a position to where I have the leverage and I have the capital. And I may make a good amount of money, but even if I make $200,000, $250,000 a year, that's not enough money to get to the level I want to be. I wanted 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, all the way up car. You know what I'm saying? And I can't get that only making that in a year. I got to be making that in a month, in a day, in a week. But we're going to get there with due time. That was a great call, nonetheless. Money's going to be made, changes are going to be made, improvements going to be made, because that's what we do on a daily basis. But I'm about to go spend some time with my girlfriend. She has work in a little bit. Let's enjoy the day. We had no trades today, but if we look at how much money we're up in VIP, I think I'm up a measly little hundo or something. A little hundo. We're up 125 bucks. Good money. See? This is why we need them trades, man. People be saying I live off VIP. I wish I could make 10K in a day off VIP, but I don't yet. I don't. And we out of here on adventure again. Daily dose of adventure. Daily dose of adventure. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Just be going with the flow. Do gotta get air in my tire though. I definitely know that for a fact. So Wawa is probably gonna be the move. So shiny. I want to specifically talk to you guys about my breaking point. The moment I realized what needed to change. The moment I realized the reason I wasn't successful, the reason I wasn't where I wanted to be, the reason why I wasn't accomplishing my goals, the reason I was unhappy with myself. I know what that was now. I know what that point that changed everything was. I didn't have a epiphany with trading, an epiphany with content. No, I had an epiphany with life. I had an epiphany with myself. And I want to share it with you guys because I can guarantee you this is going to be for you also. A lot of us humans go through the same things over and over and over, and we learn from the same experiences. And guess what? You know why you're not successful? You know why you're not rich yet? You know why you don't have the life that you want yet? Because you don't deserve it. Because you didn't earn it. Because you didn't put the work in. And that goes for me too. You know why I don't have a Lambo? You know why I don't have a diamond watch, a diamond chain? You know why I don't have crazy shoes on right now? You don't know why I don't have a Gucci suit? Because I didn't earn it yet. I didn't earn it. I don't deserve it yet. But just because I don't deserve it doesn't mean I won't ever be able to deserve it. I have to build myself into the individual that's going to be able to obtain these things. Nobody randomly just obtains a Lambo. Nobody randomly obtains a good physique. These things take a certain type of person to build. And when I realized that there was no secret to success, there was no secret trading strategy that was going to be making me rich. There wasn't no secret content strategy that was going to make me rich. There wasn't no secret content strategy that was going to guarantee views. There is no secret, bro. What it comes down to is who's going to be willing to do the work when they're not seeing no results. Who's going to be willing to show up every day when they're tired? Who's going to be willing to show up and sit in front of a camera for a video that's probably not going to get a lot of views? Who's going to be willing to do that for years and years on years with no money from it? Majority of people aren't going to be willing to do that. Majority of people want short-term gratification. They want to feel good now. That's why masturbation is so high. That's why porn is so high. That's why smoking is so high. Drinking is so high. And even then, I'm not saying I'm the best individual. I'm not the best individual. I'm trying to improve my life every single day, just like anybody else. Like I always tell you guys, we're no different. I go through things just like you go through things. I have obstacles just like you have obstacles. I have W's, I have L's just like you have W's and L's. This trading week, I didn't have the best trading week. Last trading week, I had a 100% win rate. There's some weeks that are great, some weeks that are okay, some weeks that are horrible, but that's life. Nothing is gonna always go up. So you out here looking for the secret, for the reason to start, for like some clue from God. It's not gonna happen, bro. God gave you everything you need. You have everything you need to succeed right now. That is one quote I always tell myself, because you need to stop procrastinating. If you have a phone, if you have internet, if you have a brain, if both your legs work, if both your fucking hands work, you have everything you need to succeed, bro. You do, and trust me, that's one of the things that I struggled with for so long. I thought there was something that I was missing. And you know what I was missing? Action. I knew what needed to be done. I knew how to make money. I knew how to get in shape. I knew how to get fit. But was I actually doing it? You may know how to do math, but are you actually using it in your everyday life that's benefiting? No. It's the same exact thing. You may know all these different concepts about success, about relationships, about people, about the brain, human nature, but if you're not actively using that on a daily basis, if you're not actively monetizing that on a daily basis, it's not going to change your life. Information is nothing until it's applied. And even with these videos, you just watching these videos isn't going to do nothing for you. Do you know what it is going to do for you though? Remember how I said people chase that dopamine hit? They chase that short-term gratification. That's what this video is going to do for you. Right now, you probably feel good that you're watching a discipline, educational, mindset video because it probably makes you feel better about yourself. But if you don't take action after this video, your life isn't going to change. Just from watching me do something that's going to build me doesn't mean that this is going to build you. I'm just telling you what you need to do. I'm telling you what I've went through, and trust me, I've been in your situation. I've been in your exact situation, looking at somebody else make a video of how to do it. And I went through hundreds and thousands of videos before I realized a lot of stuff they're saying is true. But you know what I haven't been doing? The work, taking the action, learning from the L's, learning from the W's. That's the main thing. People really want a secret to success. You know what the secret is? Getting experience. I don't care if you have no mentor, no nothing. If you get experience and learn from it every single day, it's only a matter of time before you improve. I always say this, if I had no teachers when it comes to trading, no teachers, no mentors, no nothing, and I just came to the charts, I may have not got to the point where I am now at this time, within that time frame, but I can guarantee you if I would have been on these charts every single day for years and years, I would have eventually got to this position, because it's all from trial and error. The market is going to teach you everything you need to know. The market, in terms of trading, in terms of content, the algorithm is going to teach you everything you need to know as long as you show up, as long as you get experience, as long as you are putting yourself in position to win. You're going to get rewarded for it, but it's about actually doing. Actually doing. The main thing I want you to take from this video is actually do the work. Don't say you're going to do it. Don't promise yourself. Don't promise your friends. Do it. When you have an idea, don't say you're going to do it. Do it. When you have an idea, don't write it down, say you're going to make that video later. Do it now. Now, maybe if you're at work, don't do it now, but you got to act on those impulses, act on those ideas, act on that motivation, that inspiration as soon as possible, because it's all a momentum-based game. Once that momentum is gone, you may not have that same willingness to want to wake up. You may not have that same willingness to want to record the video. When I woke up this morning, I was tired as shit at 6 in the morning, but I looked basically outside and I knew if I didn't get up, it's only going to be harder. If I lay back in that bed after going to the bathroom, it's only going to be harder for me to get back up. You got to do the hard work, and guess what? I'm up now. I may not feel the most awake, but I'm up now. I'm watching the sun come up. I'm doing what majority of people aren't going to be willing to do. I'm here on a Saturday morning that woke up at 6 a.m., watching the sunrise, getting straight to work. Do what they want to achieve what they can't. But yeah, I just recorded a video for the second channel. As y'all know, on that 60-day grind, we working. But with that being said, I gotta head to the gym now. We're gonna end this vlog off with a good little workout. I gotta take my girlfriend to work soon. So this is one of those things. It's nice and early on a Saturday morning. Just doing what we do, man. Just doing what we do. Daily dose of game, daily dose of value. Hopefully today you guys got a lot of work done. It's gonna be the weekend, so you know what that means. It's time to get ready for the weekend. But like I said, without all the yapping, I might take my dogs for a walk real quick, and then I'm gonna probably shower, take my dogs for a walk, and then get ready to take my girlfriend to work and head to the gym. But right now I'm kind of just enjoying the view, enjoying the early morning in Tampa right now. But yeah, let's get to work. Let's get to work. I'm tired, but this is what we do it for. I don't care if I'm tired. You shouldn't care if you're tired. Your money don't care if you're tired. Your success don't care if you're tired. Nobody gives a fuck about how you feel. It's about what you're gonna do. Like we just went over in that portion of the video, it's about what you do. Action is key. Application of the knowledge is key. Knowledge is cool until you use it. Don't mean shit. All right, right now, okay. Music, I'm not trying to get copyright. Not right now. Not right now. I like to make my little $2,000 a month from YouTube sales. Not a lot, but I'll take it. I'll take it. But that's not what this is about. But I'm about to hop on a call because I just got a new member. So last night I had a new member join VIP. Join, not even VIP, he's joined the mentorship. He got full access to VIP for lifetime. He got full access to the Content to Cash program for lifetime. That's all my mentorship is. But we're going to get on an onboarding call. I'm going to talk to him about his goals, everything he's trying to do when it comes to making money online, trading, content, all the above. I'm going to get him a good system, get him a good guidelines. And that's what we're just going to do. I'm going to get him right. And then tomorrow we're going to get to work. And tonight we're going to get to work with the sessions and everything. We're just going to get to work regardless. It's a daily thing. The work began yesterday. It doesn't begin today. It began yesterday. But yeah, so I'm about to hop on the call with him. I'm at Wawa. And then, yeah. And then I got to head to the gym. And then we going to end the vlog. I don't even got the option. Are you able to make it a video?
Let's see. Your camera's off. Front camera. Strategies, like I like his strategy. And good thing it's pretty similar to yours. It's ICT and everything. It looks pretty similar at least. And like I don't know if you know him. Do you know Johnny Options?
No, I don't know. I know ICT, not Johnny Options though.
Okay. No, yeah, okay. Well, yeah, he trades ICT pretty much, and it's a good strategy. I'm not fully profitable yet, just because I lost so much in the beginning, like most traders do. I only have a couple issues with trading that I'm really trying to get down, mental-wise, and
which would be even some game for you right now. When it comes to trading, a lot of the times during the years, there's different cycles and different tendencies of the market. So some parts of the year tend to have certain tendencies compared to other parts. And think about it like that. So you've only experienced maybe half of that so far. So there's still a half of the year that's probably going to have tendencies that you've never even seen before. So just put it like that. And that's why I say 2 years, because that first year will give you a good idea. Okay, I couldn't expect none of this because I never went through it. But that second year is a year where you're like, okay, now you kind of got an idea. And that's why I kind of say beginner for the most part, because at that point you realize a lot more. You know what I mean? But it's a big journey at the end of the day. I've been trading for almost 5 years now. The likelihood of us continuing to create all-time highs is far more likely, and I'm sure you can see that. And especially with Trump, now that Trump's elected, the fact that he got elected, and we're at all-time highs, and I'm pretty sure Nvidia got added to Dow. There's like a lot of things just causing it to go up. I'm more than likely right now. So that's why this week I sat on my hands for the most part. I had days where I had break evens. I had the one W, I had one L day that I kept small. But it was the end of the week, it was mostly break evens, and I didn't trade Friday.
Yeah.
It was just one of those things where you just learn from experience. There's all-time highs, price tends to go for it. And that's when one of the things where I would say, those would be things that I'm willing to not take a trade on. Because if I see we're trending and we're at an all-time high, then I'm just like, all right, I mean, there's not really much I could do. That's a reason for me to just sit here and not do anything. And then most of the time I still show up. Like, that's one of the things. I can show up because I have VIP also. So even if I show up, I don't necessarily have to trade because I'm with everyone else and I have a reason to be there. I could talk to them. I could look at their trades. I have other reason to not necessarily be forced to take a trade now. But even then, it's just all discipline. There's multiple times where I've had stopped out trades. I've had W trades and I want to take another one. It's just a matter of, not gonna lie to y'all, I was about to go to the gym after I dropped my girlfriend off because she's officially dropped off at work. But looking at the time, I do need to try to get this video uploaded because I upload in the morning now. So it's a little bit weird for me on this schedule, but nonetheless, we're gonna make it happen. So with that being said, the gym vlog is gonna be in the next vlog. Sorry, but it's gonna be there. I don't know what to tell you. I'm still gonna work out. It's just not gonna be here. But at this point, you already made it to the end of the video. You already got all the value. So like in this lounge right above my gym. So this is the place I was trying to go to yesterday. That was locked off because it was too early, but look at this view in the back that I'm looking at right now. It's a great view. The pool and stuff is all getting remodeled and stuff, so nobody's out there, so it's even better. I just got it all to myself, but I'm about to get to editing the rest of this vlog, get this uploaded, get some reels and stuff created, and then go straight down to the gym, because I got this charging over here too. So we gotta get straight to it. But it's 9:50 in the morning. Y'all be safe, stay productive. If you want to learn how to trade like me, the free trading concepts, free trading systems, all in the free course, all in the description. Everything you need to know with VIP, mentorship to get on the call, to join VIP, to join the Constant to Cash program, to join mentorship like we got the new member Nick. It's just value every single day. We're gonna keep on moving, keep on building, because that's all we're here for, to improve. If I can improve, so can you. I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.